Still waiting 10 days to close your books every month? Or struggling to explain where 1% of your revenue disappeared across Amazon, Shopify, and B2B channels? For most retail CFOs, revenue leakage isn't a buzzword. It's a silent drain on margins and cash flow. Every mismatch between your order, invoice, and settlement hides potential losses. Manual reconciliation not only delays your close, it blocks working capital, invites audit risk, and leaves your team buried under spreadsheets. The cost? Millions lost in unclaimed receivables, over deductions, and missed credits. Meet Sarah, CFO of a $300 million retail brand selling across D2C, Amazon, and franchise stores. Her finance team managed 18 spreadsheets just to match orders with settlements. Chargebacks were missed, deductions piled up, and by the time books closed, cash flow visibility was weeks old. The frustration was real. 10-day close cycles, endless exceptions, and audit trails scattered everywhere. Then came Taxilla's order-to-cash reconciliation automation. By integrating data from Shopify, Amazon, PayPal, ERP, and bank systems, Taxilla created a single source of truth for every transaction. AI-driven automation handled 90% of the matching instantly, flagging only true exceptions. The result? Before Taxilla, month-end close, 10 days, manual effort, 100%, revenue leakage, up to 2% of GMV. After Taxilla, close in 2 to 3 days, 70 to 90% less manual work, up to 90% leakage prevented. Taxilla automates end-to-end account reconciliation across all retail channels, D2C, marketplaces, payment gateways, ERPs, banks, all in one platform. Speed. Close books 60 to 70% faster. Accuracy 99.9% automated. Matching with audit trail compliance. GAAP plus IFRS ready. Full traceability. It's time to turn your manual close into a continuous close-stop revenue leakage before it starts, with automation built for multi-channel retail. Click on the link to book a 15-minute demo and see your reconciliation happen in real time.